Hello everyone. I welcome you all to our new initiative, Kamyab Bano Brighter Futures. This is a new initiative through which we are going to provide a need-based support for the students or the candidates to clear their competitive examinations. Be it any examination, be it civil services, SSC, banking, or personality test and interview. So this would be a short introductory video in which we are going to emphasize about our vision, um, what will be our agenda, what will be our focus area, and how are we going to interact with you guys, and what are the proposed verticals that we are planning to bring as a part of this initiative, and on which platform we are available. So please do like this video and do support our initiative if you feel like by sharing and subscribing to this channel. See, guys, being a student, all of us, we do encounter this dilemma about choosing our career goals and what path we should follow to achieve that career goal. And under the family pressure, the peer pressure, what our friends are doing, हमारे friends क्या कर रहे हैं, and what are their skills, ये सब सोच के we choose a career goal for ourselves, and according to that career goal, we try to pursue those skills which will help us in succeeding that career goal. So, but what if I say that there should be one initiative that will be guiding you at the very first step. At the first step, जो पहला आपका step है where you are choosing your career goal, what career you should choose. So, at this initiative, we will help you to choose the right career according to your skill set, and that will definitely enhance your chances of succeeding to that career goals. And of course, as the name suggests, Kamyab Bano, here we are going to do some reverse engineering and we will guide you to create some self awareness about yourself. यू नो जब तक खुद का एहसास नहीं होगा, खुद की गलतियां हम नहीं समझेंगे, तो उसको हम सही कैसे करेंगे, राइट? सो अपार्ट फ्रॉम इट, लोगों में काफी तरह की हिचकिचाहट होती है, एंड द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट अमंग दीज आर द फियर ऑफ फेसिंग पीपल. हम लोगों को कैसे फेस करेंगे. सो यहाँ पे वी आर गोइंग टू बूस्ट अप your overall personality for interviews and real life, so that you can remove the fear of facing the people. So these are two important pillars of this initiative, and apart from it, we are planning to come up with some concept clearing sessions, some brainstorming sessions जो काफी लोगों को पढ़ने में डर लगता है. I mean, जो टफ वाले होते हैं, आपने बहुत लोगों को कहते सुना होगा, टफ वाले जो होते हैं, so that we can provide a need based support for clearing the examination. Okay. So here we'll be doing some group discussions. We will be uh, doing some group interviews among your peers so that you can able to express your views. You will be able to absorb others' views. And apart from this, we will be doing one-to-one basic profile testing with our panelists, and of course they are experienced panelists. And last but not the least, the concept clearing session that I told you earlier, for the confusing part, those tough part, so-called tough part, that we are referring here. And ये सारे objectives, these whole objectives, we are planning to break into these verticals which we have proposed, in which the one will be the break the task, in which the comprehensive GDs and interaction with the peers will be there, connecting the dots, in which the interactive and interview sessions with the experienced panelists will be there. Obviously, clear the view, which will be the brainstorming and confusing concepts clearing sessions for the most tough topics. Extra bites that will comprise of last minute preparation for the preliminary examination of any kind, civil services, SSC, for your interview also. And we have this special initiative nudge, which will be an exercise for you guys to push you to do more. You should, like, हमें हमेशा हम सुनते हैं कि हमें कुछ ज्यादा पढ़ना है, क्या पढ़ना है, कहाँ से पढ़ना है, बहुत सारी चीजें हमारे दिमाग में, ये डायलेमास जो होते हैं वो हम हमारे दिमाग में चलते रहते हैं, राइट? सो these dilemmas, जो confusion होते हैं हमारे दिमाग में regarding clearing the examination, about what subject we should choose while clearing the examination. For example, civil services है तो आपको क्या subject choose करना चाहिए, आपको क्या पढ़ना चाहिए, क्या नहीं पढ़ना चाहिए. So on this platform we are going to discuss all these aspects with our panelists. So our focus area will be this initiative will help in learning candidates the new trades. It will help in choosing you the right vocation, what vocation you will be choosing that will be helpful to you in your coming future and as well as the long future. So connecting the dots, connecting the missing dots in your life and career through the interactive sessions, this is one of the pillar of our initiative. Obviously, and building character and leadership skills that will acquire you, and the reverse engineering, the reverse methodology that जो मैंने अभी आपसे discuss किया, so that you can choose a right profession for your life. Okay, so we are available on these platforms that are mentioned there, and हमने ये platform actually इसलिए choose किए हैं because these are the some digital platforms so that we can expand our reach to the remotest corner of the world, and we will be available to you at any point of time uh, in any pandemic if you wish to subscribe us. So that's all. I would like to conclude my video with the motivational thought that we have shared here. The only way to do great work is to love what you do. जब तक हम अपने काम से प्यार नहीं करेंगे तब तक हमें कामयाबी कैसे मिलेगी. Yeah, that justifies our this initiatives, and obviously we should keep looking, we should keep practicing, and we should never settle for the less. So thank you guys. Please do like, share, and subscribe this initiative. And thank you.